Welcome to Tesla Super Destinations, where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're bowling for Corvettes at the Supercharger in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, where they have a total of 8 Superchargers. I just want to thank all of you guys for hanging out, so please keep showing that support. There's a like button right over there. There's a subscribe button right over there, and if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us, make sure you share the content over with them. So here are my initial impressions of the Bowling Green Supercharger. Initial thoughts: I'm here in another outdoor shopping center, but there's a Myers behind me, so if you're hungry, if you need to get any food, your needs are going to be taken care of right there. Initial feelings: I've got a nice, safe, serene feeling here. There's lots of wide open space, so if you're bringing a pet or if you need to run around, I'm going to turn the camera around. There's a lot of fields you can run around to and have your pet have a fun old time and get some relief. Initial concerns: no concerns whatsoever. This seems to be a nice, safe place. So thank you so much for hanging out with us, and hang on for the review. Let's give our guest Grady our ear so he can tell us about the area.
Well, they can expect it not to be very crowded at this particular site. Today's an unusual day. I don't know if it's because it's on a Friday mid-afternoon, but it's real close to I-65, either going north to Indianapolis or south to Nashville. So it's a nice stop off. There's always a Meijer store close by where you can go in and grab a snack if you want to while you're charging.
Now, believe it or not, I've bumped into a lot of people with Tesla rentals at this charging station. Maybe they're passing through the state. What is Myers about? What kind of store is that?
Myers is a little bit of everything. We up in Indianapolis, we go to it for grocery shopping. We've bought clothes there before. I've bought gardening supplies. Bought stuff for my lawnmowers. There's this. It's pretty well-rounded store. Has a little bit of everything in there for you.
Now, if this place didn't have a supercharger, would you still come to this shopping center?
I would not. I need to go someplace where I can actually charge. If I want to go to Myers, I would do it in my home state, in my hometown.
1 full star for chargers, 8 of them at 150 kV 24/7. Half a star for bathrooms over 445 feet away inside Meijer. That's the market. Safety gets a full star. You've got well-lit outdoor parking. Half a star goes to food and beverage. You've got a market, and all of the other food joints are big blocks away. Cool factor gets a full star, even though you've got spread out food and shopping blocks and blocks away from each other. This is the nearest supercharger to the National Corvette Museum. It's about 7.2 fast miles away, and you know what? This is the best engineered American ICE car. Maybe one day there will be a Tesla car museum. And hey, it's a matter of time until these babies will have a production-ready EV version. The Bowling Green, Kentucky Supercharger gets a 4.0 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: 4.3 long, fast miles from the 65 freeway to 34 Bowling Green exit. Let's give our guest Grady the final word.
Grady, do you ever charge at home?
Every night. It's obviously a lot less expensive. I will say that the cost of charging has gone up significantly in the past year. I used to be able to charge from like 10 to 90 for $8 to $10. Now it's about double that.
Now, I'm wondering, if you charge at home every night, how come you charge at a supercharger?
Because I'm usually out on the road with business, and it's the quickest and easiest way to get charged up. Home takes a lot longer, and when you're on the road and you're running out of juice, you need to get charged up quickly and get on your way.
Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there, Grady?
Well, I always say live life every day because you never know what tomorrow's going to bring, and don't forget your purpose for being here on earth, because it's all about Jesus Christ, and if it's not about Him, then it's not about anything.
Thank you so much. We'll see you later, okay?
All right, take care.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
Gary, have
Grady.
you ever... I'm sorry?
Grady.
Okay, I'm going to edit that. Grady, have you ever supercharged here in Bowling Green, Kentucky before?